I'm doing a bit of both. I started out on just Google Ads and ran that at $79 a day. There was one month where that got me 60 leads. Yes, so my name's Joseph, and I run a small electrical business, just myself and an apprentice at the moment. And yeah, and pro electrical contracting business. Um,
Amazing.
yeah.
And what was the state of your ad account, if any, prior to joining the Where You program?
So I had previously had no ads. I was doing it all organic through like Facebook community groups and stuff like that, and a little bit of word of mouth. I had engaged previously a couple of different agencies to try and manage ads because I just could not work it out for myself at all, and it was always a flunk. It was always super expensive, terrible leads, ongoing monthly fees, that sort of thing. So never really worked out that well. Yeah.
Yeah,
Um, yeah.
tell me a little bit more about that. So, what wasn't working? Where are you at now? How long have you been in the program? Talk about then v now.
So when I was doing Google Ads with other companies before, the leads were always super expensive. Like honestly, sometimes between 100 and $250 per lead, and that wasn't necessarily a usable lead either. Um, so sometimes very terrible quality.
Yeah, yeah. And where are you sitting now? So, how long have you been in the program? What type of results are you achieving?
I've been in the program since I think I joined the workshop in January.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Months, 5 months?
4 or 5 months, yeah. And it's been really good. I've had to dial the ads back because they've just like kept me so busy. It's good. Ads are costing on average like maybe $40 to $60, so $50 average sort of thing. I'm doing a bit of both. I started out on just Google Ads and ran that at $79 a day. And in one month, there was one month where that got me 60 leads.
Yeah,
So
wow.
that was just like really good. And then um, on Meta side, I started running. I made a couple of small videos, just me working, on the tools, and put them in Meta and started running them at a couple bucks a day, and then up to $50 a day. And I was getting leads through that, good usable leads through that as well, um, like quite a lot as well. I can't remember the numbers, but yeah, it's just such a huge improvement with the guidance from where you, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And tell me about this impact on your business professionally. Like, what has this done for your revenue margins? How's your return on ad spend sitting? Talk to me a little bit more about the numbers.
Yeah, so I guess per month when I was running them at their peak capacity, I guess it was about 4,000 a month in ad spend.
Hmm.
But like it kept me so busy, like too busy. So I've had to dial them back. And it allowed me to, the progress was so good, it allowed me to hire an apprentice. And numbers wise, we're doing sort of like, between 40 and 70,000 um, a month. So it's really, really good. Yeah, really
Yeah,
good.
that's amazing off, 4K ad spend a month. That's a really big return on investment there. If you were to kind of describe what this impact has had on you personally, what would you say?
I would say honestly, it's caused me a lot of stress, to be fair.
Too much
introduce
business?
introduce a lot of new problems that I've got to work out. But it's allowed me to hire the apprentice. I'm now looking for an A grade. I've got an ad out for an A grade. Um, there's obviously a lot of changes going on that I have never done for the first that I'll only be doing for the first time. So no, it's a good problem to have. Good problem to have. Yeah.
Yeah. And as a business owner, like some of the impacts it had on you professionally is obviously you've been able to hire and expand your team. I mean, you're off the tool a little bit more, so you can focus on business operations. Tell me a little bit more about the impact on your business.
Uh, I guess sort of the same thing. I guess. Yeah, I've got a hire now so that I can take take being on the tools off my plate and hand that over to another guy, and then obviously train him up properly in the same way that I would do things.
On that, what would you say the most valuable thing of the program is? Like, where do you get the most value? The workshop, the ongoing support, the advisory calls, the team? Like, what do you think was the most valuable thing for you?
There's not going to be one most valuable thing. It all comes together really, really well. Like you really need a bit of all of it. The workshop, maybe not so much if you watch the online videos before you go, but like the ongoing support, um, and and yeah, and the workshop, you know, getting set up, and then the online support, um, just really nails it. Any problems you have, they just get sorted. They just get sorted, and you just see progress, and it just goes forward. Um, and then once you're done with it, you know what to do. You know what to do to handle it if anything happens, which is not anything you get from any other agency.